How do I know if an HVAC technician replaced the parts they billed me for? Ask for the old parts, compare the new parts with the invoice, and verify the work through photos, model numbers, and an independent inspection if needed. Before work begins, take clear photos of the equipment, its labels, wiring, and the part that is supposed to be replaced. Ask the technician to explain what is failing and to show you the replacement part before installing it. After the repair, request the removed part, unless it must be returned to the manufacturer for a warranty claim or safely disposed of because it contains refrigerant. Check that the new part has a matching brand, model number, or serial number, and compare those details with the invoice. Look for fresh screws, new wire connections, clean fingerprints, or changed insulation, but remember that some parts can be replaced without leaving obvious marks. A useful detail many homeowners do not know is that some heating and cooling systems record fault codes, operating hours, or sensor readings, so a technician may be able to show readings before and after the repair. You can also ask for dated photos of the installed part and a written explanation of the repair. If the charge is large or the problem continues, hire another licensed technician to inspect the system and compare the invoice with the actual installation. One common mistake is assuming a clean-looking part is new, so check its model number and ask for the packaging or warranty paperwork. Another mistake is paying for a replacement when the part only needed adjustment, cleaning, or a simple electrical repair, so ask what test proved the original part had failed. Some homeowners also sign completion forms before testing the system, so watch the equipment start, measure the temperature change, and confirm that the original problem is gone before paying. If a technician refuses reasonable documentation or will not explain the charge, pause payment when legally allowed and contact the company manager, licensing agency, or consumer protection office. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.